Hello, just been for a walk. Just been to see my mate Baggo down the hill. He owns he owns the garage property, he rents it out. But he's got his own garage around the back where he plays cars. He plays cars. And he's got a new toy. He's got a new toy. You know what it is? A bloody black Range Rover. London number plates. Well, it obviously came two wheels a while ago, but originally London. Leather seats and all the bloody bollocks. God's sakes. 56, when's that? Yeah, 56. 2016. Is it 2016? Or is it 2000? No, 2006, isn't it? 56 is late 2006 after me. Yeah, very smart, obviously. It's got problems. What did he say? Oh, the turbo's gone. The turbo's gone, so he picked it up cheap. And he's Indian. Do you know what we talked about? None other than Pretty Bloody Patel. He's a Sikh, right? He's a Sikh. But he doesn't wear a hat. Yeah, he's like a relaxed Sikh. Ex-kickboxer. Yeah, he's almost 70. He's about 70 now, fit as anything. Thin, tiny bloke. Kickboxing champion in his day. In Cardiff. And he's got a Cardiff accent to confuse you if you want to be confused anymore. Yeah. Anyway, this bloody black radio. And he opened up the bonnet and I was all covered in bloody plastic bits and cables. And I looked in it and is there a V8 underneath there somewhere? And he went, yes. Right. Fucking hell of a thing. All those sensors they got in the cables all over the engine, sensors now. That's what gives it the good miles per gallon. And sensors on them, it's crazy. And if a bit of water gets into one of the electrical connections, it all goes to cock. Great lad. Baggo from Croissants. He's yeah. I had a good chat with him. Oh yes, he was somebody. When I got there, he was just finishing sorting off the truck. Oh yeah, black Range Rover, Chelsea tractor, London number plate, LL on the start. That's London, I think. And LL is West London, Chelsea, Kensington, Fulham. Tory. Oh God, here we are.